Ah, German Shepherd puppies, those big, clumsy paws. They seem almost too large for their tiny bodies, making every step they take an adorable adventure. Watching them navigate their world with those oversized paws is like witnessing a toddler taking their first steps, full of wonder and a bit of wobble. The way they tumble over their own feet is simply endearing. Each little trip and fall is a reminder of their playful spirit and their determination to explore, no matter how many times they might stumble. It's a dance of discovery, filled with joy and a touch of clumsiness that only adds to their charm. And who can resist those soulful eyes, full of curiosity and mischief? Those eyes seem to hold the secrets of the universe, always observing, always learning. They look at you with such intensity, as if trying to understand every word you say, every move you make. It's a gaze that melts hearts and forms an instant connection. It's no wonder people find them irresistibly adorable. Their presence brings joy and laughter to any home. Families gather around, admiring their every move, their every playful antic. The bond they form with their human companions is immediate and profound, creating memories that last a lifetime. But their cuteness goes beyond their looks. It's in the way they interact with the world around them. Whether they're playing with toys, chasing after a ball, or simply rolling around in the grass, their actions are a delightful mix of innocence and curiosity. Each moment is a snapshot of pure joy. These pups share some surprisingly human-like behaviors, especially during puppyhood. They mimic our actions, trying to understand and fit into our world. It's in the way they tilt their heads when we talk to them, or how they follow us around the house, eager to be part of our daily lives. Their gestures and expressions often mirror our own, creating a unique bond of understanding. Much like babies, German Shepherd pups rely heavily on their senses to understand the world. They sniff, they listen, they watch with keen interest. Every new scent, every new sound is a piece of the puzzle they are trying to solve. Their senses guide them, helping them navigate their environment and learn about the world around them. They explore with their mouths, often nipping and chewing on anything within reach. This behavior, while sometimes frustrating, is a natural part of their development. It's their way of discovering textures, tastes, and the boundaries of their world. Providing them with safe, chewable toys can help satisfy this instinct and keep them engaged. They crave attention and affection, forming strong bonds with their human families. These bonds are built on trust and love, growing stronger with each cuddle, each gentle pat. They seek out our company, finding comfort in our presence. This need for connection is a testament to their loyal and loving nature. And just like human babies, they thrive on routine and consistency, which is where positive reinforcement training comes in. Establishing a routine helps them feel secure and understand what is expected of them. Training sessions become opportunities for learning and bonding, reinforcing good behavior with praise and treats. Their baby-like antics, from playful nips to clumsy stumbles, melt our hearts. Each playful nip is a sign of their youthful exuberance, a way of engaging with the world and those around them. Their clumsy stumbles are moments of pure innocence, reminding us of their tender age and the journey of growth they are on. But beneath the cuteness lies a sharp intelligence eager to learn and please. German Shepherds are known for their quick learning and adaptability. They pick up commands and tricks with remarkable speed, always eager to earn our approval. Their intelligence is a key part of their charm, making them not just adorable but also incredibly capable companions. By understanding their unique blend of adorable quirks and eagerness to learn, we can shape their development with patience, love, and of course, plenty of treats. Each treat is a reward for their efforts, a small token of our appreciation for their endless charm and loyalty. With the right guidance, these pups grow into confident, loving dogs, ready to take on the world with us by their side. Positive reinforcement training, or reward-based training, is all about motivating your German Shepherd puppy with positive experiences. This method is rooted in the idea that rewarding good behavior encourages your puppy to repeat those actions. By focusing on positive experiences, you create a learning environment that is both enjoyable and effective. Instead of punishment, this method focuses on rewarding desired behaviors. Punishment can often lead to fear and anxiety, which can hinder the learning process. In contrast, reward-based training promotes a sense of safety and trust, making your puppy more willing to engage and learn. This could be anything from offering a tasty treat to showering your pup with praise and pets. The key is to find what motivates your puppy the most. Some dogs respond better to treats, while others may prefer verbal praise or physical affection. By identifying what your puppy loves, you can tailor the rewards to be most effective. Why is this method so effective? Because it creates a positive association with training. When your puppy associates training sessions with positive outcomes, they are more likely to look forward to these sessions. This positive association makes the training process smoother and more enjoyable for both you and your puppy. When your puppy understands that good behavior leads to good things, they're more likely to repeat those actions. This understanding is crucial for effective training. It helps your puppy learn faster and retain the lessons better. Over time, these positive behaviors become ingrained, leading to a well-behaved and happy dog. This approach fosters a trusting and enjoyable learning environment for both you and your furry friend. A positive training environment encourages your puppy to be more engaged and enthusiastic. It also strengthens the bond between you and your puppy, making the training process a shared, enjoyable experience. Positive reinforcement helps build a strong bond built on trust and understanding. This bond is essential for a healthy and happy relationship with your dog. When your puppy trusts you, they are more likely to follow your guidance and respond positively to your training efforts. It avoids the fear and anxiety associated with punishment-based methods. Fear can be detrimental to your puppy's mental health and can lead to behavioral issues. By using positive reinforcement, you create a safe and supportive environment that promotes learning and growth. This approach encourages your puppy to see training as a fun and rewarding experience, paving the way for a well-adjusted and happy companion. A well-trained dog is not only a joy to be around, but also a safer and more reliable pet. By investing in reward-based training, you are setting the foundation for a lifetime of positive interactions and mutual respect with your German Shepherd puppy. Early socialization is crucial for German Shepherd puppies. Think of it as introducing your puppy to the world in a safe and controlled manner. This means exposing them to a variety of sights, sounds, people, and of course, other dogs. Start by inviting vaccinated and friendly dogs to your home for short, supervised playdates. Gradually introduce your puppy to new environments like the park or pet-friendly stores. Keep these outings short and positive, rewarding your pup for calm and confident behavior. Socialization is not just about preventing fear and aggression. It's about helping your puppy develop into a well-rounded and confident dog. A well-socialized German Shepherd is a joy to be around, comfortable in various situations and able to interact politely with others. Like human babies, German Shepherd puppies explore the world with their mouths. This is their primary way of understanding their environment, and it's a crucial part of their development. They use their mouths to investigate textures, tastes, and even the durability of objects around them. Chewing is a natural and necessary behavior for them, helping to relieve teething discomfort and exercise their jaws. This behavior is especially prominent during the teething phase, which can be quite uncomfortable for them. Providing them with appropriate items to chew on can make this period much easier for both the puppy and the owner. However, it's our job to teach them what's acceptable to chew on and what's off-limits. Puppies don't inherently know the difference between a chew toy and your favorite pair of shoes. It's up to us to guide them and set boundaries. This requires patience and consistency, as they will naturally be curious and test limits. Puppy-proof your home by removing valuable or dangerous items. Just like you would baby-proof a home for a toddler, you need to ensure that your living space is safe for a curious puppy. This means keeping electrical cords, small objects, and toxic plants out of reach. Creating a safe environment helps prevent accidents and makes it easier to manage your puppy's behavior. Provide a variety of appropriate chew toys like durable rubber toys and Kongs filled with treats. Different textures and types of toys can keep your puppy engaged and satisfied. Rotating toys can also keep things interesting for them, preventing boredom and reducing the likelihood of them seeking out inappropriate items to chew on. When your puppy inevitably tries to nibble on something they shouldn't, redirect their attention to a chew toy. Consistency is key. Each time you catch them chewing on something inappropriate, calmly take it away and replace it with a suitable toy. Over time, they will learn what is acceptable to chew on. Every time your puppy chooses a chew toy over your furniture, you reinforce the idea that chewing on appropriate items leads to positive outcomes. Praise and rewards can go a long way in reinforcing good behavior. Make sure to celebrate their good choices with treats, affection, and verbal praise. Remember, patience and positive reinforcement are your best tools in guiding your puppy's chewing habits. Training a puppy takes time, and there will be setbacks along the way. Stay patient and consistent, and your efforts will pay off. Building a strong foundation of good habits now will lead to a well-behaved and happy adult dog in the future.